Hey y'all, today we're in Steph's low carb kitchen. Did you know that you can lose weight and still have treats? Now, we don't want to do this every day, but we can still have treats and be on our path to losing the weight that we want to lose. Today, we're going to be making a brownie, one serving. So you're not tempted, you're not making a whole pan, so you're not tempted to eat more than that one serving. I'm going to let you know what the carb count is in this so you can know exactly what it is that you're eating when you're having this treat, so you can calculate accordingly with whatever you had for dinner. And then if you know ahead of time that you're going to make this, and guess what? It only takes a couple of minutes to make. So let's dive in. So these are our ingredients for today. We have allulose, which is a 0-calorie sweetener, and it does have carbs in it, but it's low carb. 2 teaspoons is a serving size, and there's 9 grams of carbs for 2 teaspoons, which is half of what normal sugar has. Also, we have almond flour, 3 grams of carbs. The serving size is 2 tablespoons, so that is good. We have Lily's semi-sweet chocolate style chocolate chips. These are not sweetened with sugar. These have 8 grams of carbs. Now, but note that it's got 4 grams of fiber. So what you do when you see fiber is you deduct that from the total carbs. So 8 minus 4, and you do that because fiber is not absorbed by our bodies. So 8 minus 4 is 4 grams of net carbs. That's what we count as the net carbs thing. And the serving size is 1 tablespoon. So that means for 1 tablespoon, you'll have 4 grams of carbs. Also, we have our 100% unsweetened cocoa powder. We have some 2% milk. You can also use almond milk or coconut milk. And we're just going to be using 1 pinch of salt. This is 1 tablespoon of melted butter. So we're gonna get our ramekin. This is an 8-ounce ramekin. We're gonna put it all in there. Want to get it all out of there. Smooth it. Now, if you wanted to try to get it out of this container, then you would spray it with something. So now we have our other tablespoon of chocolate chips that we are going to sprinkle on the top. This looks so good. Ta-da! And then we are going to take this and put it in the microwave. Try it. It only should take a few minutes. Well, not a few minutes, 1 minute. It was kind of thick, so it might take more than a minute. So we're gonna look at it. We're gonna pull it out and look at it when it comes out of the microwave. Okay, let's see what it looks like. We might have to put it back in. Can you see that? It looks pretty good, but the chocolate chips haven't quite melted yet. And yeah, it's not quite done. So that was 1 minute. We're gonna pop it back in for another, let's say, we're gonna do 30 seconds at a time. See what happens. So I'm ready to try this. But we have to let it cool off for a little bit. It's hot. Let oven it. Let's see. And still, those chocolate chips still haven't quite melted. Let's see. All right, so we're going to let this cool off for a few minutes and then we're gonna try it. That's good. Uh-oh. What happened? No. Okay, it's time to taste test. I thought I was recording before and I wasn't, so I already took a little bite, but I want you all to see how good it is. So, there it is. Very chocolatey. Oops, very good. I dropped my spoon. It would be excellent with some whipped cream, but I don't have any. It's still warm, so good. So don't forget to subscribe to see more cooking, more videos, things that you can eat that's low carb and yummy, and more. See you in the next video.